I ain't had no option. Let's go. Hold on, let me get right. What's happening, crew? I have to go and light this celebratory cigar for you guys, man. For myself, too. About to apply to get paid. Man, I appreciate you guys sticking with me. Let's keep this rolling. Let this warm up for a minute. Shout out my dog J.I. Beats. You guys know what up. Better slow down. There's my fucking camera, bro. I've been looking at this shit. Straight up, this some fucking cigar action, bro. YouTube better not take my shit down for this shit. You see that motherfucker brown, dog? And that ain't no Reggie. But trust me, I've been smoking Reggie for years. That ain't no Reggie pack. Let me give you guys a rundown real quick. That's the 05 G35 coupe. The OG, that's the grandfather. That's the grandfather right there. I got the Q50 in the back. Had to rig up a little stand for the hood. These shocks went out when I took the hood out. So now we're stuck with a bamboo stick. We got AMS intakes. And then we got an exhaust on this. Got a drop down on some coilovers. Got tower stickers on there. I got the crown delete on the grill. I had to bust a camera out in the rain. Give you guys a different vibe. Let's get these windows all down. We got the seats pulled out. We got the floor mats. Custom floor mats for my guy. You guys go check out Vibin. Got the Castro on the wheels. The yellow brake calipers. Got the slotted rotors on them. Shout out my guy Franny too, hooking it up with that chunk mat. That comes with the premium, the fucking, that package, you know what I'm saying? Got the shoes in the back. You know how many fucking miles I put on those shoes? The exhaust on there. This ain't no game, brother. Got the side stickers on there. So hit me up on all that right there. Alright, thank you. I know you guys want to hear this shit, so let me post you up real quick. Alright, and then we're just going to close it down with a quick little cinematic video. Check out the G35. Got the fire extinguisher in the back. It's mandatory. It's basically a fucking limousine with all this space in here. It's a coupe and a limousine, brother. Alright, you guys keep doing your thing, keep holding it down. Get this G35 hooked up too. I'll show you guys what's up with the G35. Let me fire her up that quick. G35, we got the plenum spacer installed. I just got that plenum spacer installed. And I needed some tires though, especially now that this rain's coming in. This shit fucking goes down right here. This is that shit right here. Heavy ass door. You guys hear that? What you guys think, bro? G35 or the fucking Q50? Which one sounds better? You guys let me know. Drop a comment. I want to see a whole debate in the comment section. You guys better start throwing some comments down. Alright, let me give you a little comparison right quick. Hold on now. Shit, boy. Hold up. Guys, let me know. What up?
That shit sounds hella good.
Oh, you gotta listen to this one right here.
This is the, I thought that's the one I heard.
Yeah, this one's the fucking G right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You hooking it up though.
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit.
So you got the LEDs in and everything.
You saw that?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you noticed that?
That's the first thing I noticed.
Alright, man, I gotta close this shit down. It's looking crazy up here. Too much of a show. Got the light posted out for the DSLR. We'll get some camera action going. On the block. Oh, bro, I'm gone.